Here's how to fix Shopify store unavailable. If you're already logged in to Shopify, start by opening a new browser tab and going to the Shopify status page. This lets you check whether the issue is coming from Shopify itself before you change anything inside your store. On the status page, look for any active outages, degraded performance notices, or service alerts that could affect store access. If Shopify is reporting a current issue, you will need to wait until that service problem is resolved. If the status page shows all systems operational, go back to your Shopify admin and continue there. Next, check whether your Shopify trial has ended and whether your store currently has an active subscription plan. A store can become unavailable if the trial period has expired and no paid plan has been selected. Look for any notice in your admin asking you to choose a plan or reactivate your subscription. If Shopify prompts you to select a plan, click Pick a Plan. You will then see the available Shopify plans. Choose the one you want to use and complete the subscription setup. Make sure you finish the checkout and activation steps so the plan is fully applied to the store. After that, if your store is still unavailable to visitors, move to the storefront access settings. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store from the left-hand menu, then click Preferences. On that page, scroll down until you find the Store Access section or the Password Protection section, depending on how it appears in your admin. In that area, check whether Restrict Access to Visitors with the password is enabled. When this option is turned on, people who visit your storefront will be blocked unless they enter the store password. If you want the storefront to be publicly accessible, uncheck that option. Once you clear that setting, click Save to apply the change. Give Shopify a moment to update the storefront settings, then open your storefront again and confirm that it is accessible. It is a good idea to load the storefront in a fresh tab so you are viewing the current version of the site after the change has been saved. If the store opens normally, the issue was either an inactive subscription or password protection still being enabled on the storefront. If it does not open and the Shopify status page still shows normal service, review the same settings one more time to make sure the selected plan is active and the storefront restriction box remains unchecked. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify store availability has now been checked and your storefront access settings have been updated.